In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off razor blade split mode in CapCut PC. Whether you're editing a video for fun or creating professional content, knowing how to navigate the tools in CapCut can save you a lot of time and frustration. Split mode is great for quickly cutting your clips, but when you're ready to move back to selecting and fine-tuning your edits, you'll need to switch out of it. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, step by step, so you can get back to editing smoothly. Now, if you're using CapCut on a Windows PC, the first thing you'll want to do is press the B key on your keyboard. This shortcut instantly switches you out of split mode and back to the select tool. It's a quick way to regain control over your timeline without having to click around manually. However, if pressing the B key doesn't seem to work, double check that CapCut is the active window on your computer. Shortcuts like this will only function when the application itself is in focus, so make sure no other program is currently selected. If you're on a Mac, the process is slightly different. In this case, you'll need to press the S key on your keyboard to exit split mode and return to the select tool. Once again, this shortcut is designed to quickly toggle your tools and streamline your editing workflow. But if pressing S doesn't work right away, you might need to click somewhere on the timeline first. This small action ensures that your keyboard input is being recognized by the application. Sometimes, CapCut just needs a little nudge to know where your focus is, so don't worry if it doesn't happen immediately. Now, what if neither shortcut works? If pressing B on Windows or S on Mac doesn't seem to do the trick, you may have customized your keyboard shortcuts in CapCut. Custom shortcuts override the default settings, so it's possible that the key for switching tools has been reassigned. To check this, you'll need to navigate to the keyboard shortcut settings. These can be found in the top right corner of the CapCut interface. Once you're there, take a moment to review your current shortcut assignments, look for the key that's assigned to switch back to normal editing mode. This will show you exactly which key you need to press to exit split mode. If you discover that the shortcut isn't assigned to an intuitive key, or you'd simply prefer a different setup, you can reassign it right there in the settings. Customizing your shortcuts can make your editing experience even smoother, so don't hesitate to adjust them to fit your workflow. For example, you might want to set the function to a key that's easier to reach, or one that you use less frequently for other commands. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily switch out of razor blade split mode in CapCut and get back to editing your videos without interruptions. Whether you're using the default shortcuts, troubleshooting why they aren't working, or customizing your setup entirely, you now have the tools and knowledge to make the process seamless. If you're new to CapCut, you'll find a link in the description to download it and start exploring its powerful features. So now you know exactly how to exit split mode and return to the select tool in CapCut PC. If you have any questions or tips to add, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.